Kamusta guys? I am Aaron Sidor, Bachelor of Science and Information Technology, based IT2A. So, I will teach you how to use a Packet Tracer. So, first step, before kita mag-adto na sa Packet Tracer, i-download na ito ang Packet Tracer. So, magtuloy tayo sa Google. I-search natin ang Get Soft Tonic, daryo. Ini nga link. Ini nga link. Kita niyo sa screen ko. Ini nga link. http getsoftonic.com. This is Packet Tracer 6.2 Student Version 2. So, sa last user na mention, nagtatasamon sa link, pero hindi na subong ma-access. Ini yun. So, hindi na siya ma-access. So, I have to search another part of Cisco Packet Tracers, which is sa Get Softonic ko nakita. So, pagkatapos itong download, i-locate natin ang atong download, which is ang Packet Tracer Student. So, first, pagkatapos itong download ang atong Packet Tracer, install ta, i-double click lang. Before ka mag-open sa Packet Tracer, siguraduhin yung naka-open yung antivirus. There are sometimes na ginablock ang Packet Tracer sa antivirus, like Defender and etc. So, pag-open natin sa Packet Tracer, makita niyo na ang Welcome to Cisco Packet Tracer. So, i-click nyo na ang Next, Accept Agreement. Kay ito supposed to be ano ito nabasa niyo mga agreement. Then, dire makita natin kumbaga kung din ma-stored ang atong program mag-install. So, sa program files times 86. So, next lang das natin. Next, mag-create ka sa kung gusto niyo i-create sa desktop or hindi. So, para makita itong lagi atong application ng Packet Tracer, i-create desktop icon natin. So, pamadali lang. Look also sa step by step kung paano gamitin ang Packet Tracer. So, samtang gawalat kita, pwede ninyo ma-comment section ninyo ang inyo gusto nga maputan or ano purpose ng Cisco Packet Tracer. So, samtang gawalat kita, pwede ka mga kapangapi. So, wait lang natin siya. So, pagkatapos i-okay lang ni, then di nato sa kung gusto mo i-launch lagi pa after install, i-launch mo ang Cisco Packet Tracer. So, di ba gin-create na to sa desktop icon. So, nakita natin dari ang Cisco Packet Tracer, which is dari siya for student. So, pagkatapos install, i-finish na to. Then, i-okay. Then, pagka wait na to some seconds, ma-open na ang Packet Tracer. So, mas dami kung naka-SSD ka mo kay madasig ng floating. So, okay na to. Na-install na ang atong Packet Tracer. So, next atong video is kung paano gamitin ito ng Packet Tracer. So, next na itong video. Ang muna itong brown. So, we are back guys. This is the module 15 that guideline how to use a Packet Tracer for student. So, introduction is network is everywhere or it seems. You can hardly do anything with the data that does not involve a network. Like the human network, that we are also part of computer network as share information and resources. In business, the reliance of the network is even more pervasive than in homes or school. Network helps individuals and businesses alike save money, but this also helps create income. Without doubt, network within the home will catch in and over the few years as itself business. Soon, nearly all individuals and even in moderately development nations will have network component throughout their homes. Those are not all netolog likaji disadvantage because they also not able to learn the functions at the same level. So, configure browsers to allow content. So, there are many way para maala natin ma-activate natin ang atong research tutorial para makita natin. So, sa amon, kita ang isang tutorial before kami perform sang packet tracer, which is about 1 hour because so yan i-perform natin ang crossover. So dapat makikita sa device sample labi PC and laptop. Sa another device, PC, laptop, and sa next devices is PC to PC. So kita nyo guys, wala pa sa connection, so malibal ano kita. So dya is crossover. So take note, kung same device mo lang sanda, ang gamitin nila itong permi is crossover. So sa connection, we have straight through and crossover. So atong gamitin kay single device mo lang sanda, ang gamitin natin crossover. So from PC to laptop. Then next is from laptop to PC. Next is from PC to PC. So para madali na natin, bibilang natin sunda. Ilang ang mga shortcut name sa palabi. PC1 and dire L1 L2. So kumaga ang PC or personal computer, ang meaning sa PC personal computer, ang L2 or ang L sa puno ang anang stands for laptop. Then dire sa laptop another L1 PC2 and dire PC1 PC2. So in order to maximize our system, para makus ang atong pag-identify atong IP, ma-label ka na dali sa IP nila. So sample labi is 192.168.1.0 and also dali 192.168.2.0. So dali notice mo natin ang gabag kong malamdag natin sa ang pangatlo nga number. So dali same procedure but different numbers. So 192.168.3.0. So dali kita natin kumbaga we have assigned label sa kumbaga para mapos na ito pag-assign karon sa aton nga IP. So dali unahan tabit dali sample. So click na to ang device, go to desktop and IP configuration. So take note, dapat ang aton nga configuration naka-static. So kita nyo din na kung tandaan nyo nga 192.168.3.0 atong IP. So ang mali ko na itong dali. So 192.168 sample, dapat ang IP configuration naka-static. So first is 192.168.1.1. So kita sa mask and X. So same procedures, dapat pero different na atong iputang IP. So 192.168.1.2. So 1 to be na dapat din sila mag-duplicate yung klaro. So click. So in order to test our system or atong connect kung nakakonect sa mga duwa, daton i-IP config ang iping, pero dapat i-test natin ang kadag isa kung naka-assign ang atong IP. So first is click command prompt, so IP config. So ang atong IP is ara man, so iping natin ang atong IP 192.168.1.1. so kita nyo man nag-reply successful ang atong nga IP. So same procedure, ang laptop abi i-ping ta abi kung naka-assign man ang IP. So IP config, then ping 192.168.1.2. so kita to nag-reply man siya, so successful. So para mag-sira na to nga connected ang dual man, so dapat iping natin ang atong laptop 2 sa laptop sa PC1. So dapat maping kita sa PC1. Pag naping natin ang iya IP sa laptop 2, dapat mag-reply na siya. So iping natin ang laptop 2 by using PC1. So click PC1, natin sa command prompt, then IP config. So dire ang iping natin ang other side na ang L2 or ang laptop 2. So tayo natin is ping 192.168.1.2. kaya ang pinigyan sa L2 is mina ang IP. So i-enter natin. Pag nag-reply siya, okay, kita mo natin yung nag-reply siya, so successful at pag-operate is over. So same procedure man din sa ato nga laptop 1 at PC2 and so on and so forth. So ma-assign naman kita liwat sa IP. So IP config, so 192.168.1.4. so again na di ato po parehason. So 4 ako isa-assign dire or 3. so wait and pag click nyo makita yung mga submask, automatic naman siya dyan sa PIA. Ma-assign naman kita sa IP at kata sa IP config. So guys, ini daw kumbaga daw interface sang PC, kumbaga mga tools. So dire ma-assign kita sa IP configuration, so 192.168.1.4. so again 3.8 ang punta, 3 ang 4. So click ang sa mask, then X. So same procedure. So kanto naman liwat sa command prompt, IP config, ping itself, ping 192.168.1.3. so kita ato nagping man siya. So successful atong obra. Then next is ito abi, ping ato ang kalimon niya. So command prompt, IP config, then ping 192.168.1.4. then good na successful siya. So same procedure man gyapon, iping naton ang aton nga PC to using laptop 1. So kung may connection naman siya, so kato naman sa command prompt, IP config, ping 192.168.1.4. so successful na itong obra. Then sa another side naman, command prompt, IP config, so ping 192.168.1.3. so success na. Kita nga ito sa tapos rin same procedure. Set IP 168.1.5, X, another site naman, assign IP configuration, dapat naka-static siya, so assign 192.168.1.6. 6, then click submask, X, and X. Then test using command prompt, ping itself 192.168.1.5. Then start. So dire kita naton ping naton ang PC1. So sa mandabi sa tong grade 12, nagdedicate so na lang kami sang among magping sang IP kay amon sa tabi server to client kami mag-over sang PC using crossover and straight through. So kay amo ang yung tulo sa amon, so sundo na lang natin. So next matype na sa IP config, then ping itself 192.168.1.5. so ping, so successful mag-upload siya, wala sang error na tabo. Then in terms of dire IP config, dire command prompt ipconfig ping itself 192.168.1.6. so good sa. Then dire ping another side of computer, so cut lang sa PC ipconfig, ping natin ang IP sang PC sa PC2, ping 192.168.1.5. 6 gali, sorry 6. So nag-ping siya, so successful. Then next is iping natin ang PC1. so kaso naman sa PC command prompt ipconfig 192.168.1.5. So enter. So guys, ang reply. So pag nag-reply, so it means connected. Pag na-time out siya, may something wrong or error ang imo again buta. So kita nyo man ang pag-set up sa crossover. So amo dyan ang pag-cover sa crossover, you need straight crossover connection or cable. Kay that's what I said, there are different types of cable which is straight through and crossover. So kung tandaan yung permi, kung may server, straight through atong gamiton, straight through. Pero kung device to device or per unit to per unit, like computer laptop computer, and computer to computer, straight through lang kita. mga that knowledge, pwede natin nakita. So, pwede mo tayo shortcut sa case ang keyboard. Like, ipindito na ng F1. So, dili. Sa help, ang sunod na is may content, tutorials, and about. So dili, what if abe, gusto mo tutorial, click help, by clicking help, then tutorials. So dili, automatic na sa sa site sa Cisco Pocket Tracer. So dili, nakita ninyo kung paano gamitin ang Pocket Tracer. So every tutorial may description. So optical workspace, configuring device, real-time and simultation modes, physical workspace and activity wizard, and so on and so forth. So kung may mga dami ko bang code, kung hindi mo maintindihan, maaari mo lang natin sa tutorial. Then next, kailangan nag-contact ka lang kung medyo maintindihan. So today, ang isa to background, the window will always be visible to the left side of Windows when browsing through the files. So skill with the section to get an idea functions. So ang menu, magkatula mo lang na sa mga parang kita. Visible, it means tago. So for what's the section under production provides an overview of features that have been added to the tracer. So kung dyan, dapat kita before kita mag-use ang mga tracer, we have a lot of knowledge para may kumbaga may knowledge kita kung paano ito i-perform. So dapat pay attention gid kag i-familiarize naton ang aton kaugalingon kung paano itong obrahan ang Pocket Tracer na interface. So sa Pocket Tracer interface, kung magaling na pagkita lang dali kung sa future na actual kita mabra, maupos na lang. So ang magaling halak ko dyan sa question 2, kung mga wala ko kaintindihan sa kung paano gamitin ng Pocket Tracer. So lumabas sa tutorial, browse ka mo para may browse like Google or tanda sa YouTube for another knowledge para hindi ka magsila. So siyempre hindi matutang niya site or resources, hindi ba applicable sa mga viewers. So siguro depende mo siguro sa site na ginatag sa mga programmer or tutorial networks like YouTuber, kung naka-allow active content ilang video para sa pagtanaw sa tutorial. So dire So next nato is makakita kita sa una-una itong network, which is generic PC and generic server to the workspace. So kumbaga i-connect ito ng atong server to PC. So while performing, dapat may knowledge gid ikaw kay syempre hindi man it ng tanang hindi man it ng tanang bagay na may kasala, dapat kumbaga mo gid ang sakto. So first is start creating a network by first selecting the end device and add a generic PC and generic server to the workspace. So mahal kita dapat ang atong interface na i-add para sa karan. Isa ka PC kag isa ka server. So ma-start na ito sa atong first task. So first ma-add na ito sa end device, then server and generic PC. So under connection, select the copper straight through cable, solid black line, and connect the device with it. Sa connection, tapos select natin ang copper straight through. So from server to PC. So kita nyo man nag-red as what I've said in the question. The red light on the link indicates that the connection is not working. So syempre there are two types of connection, which is straight through and crossover. So kung mag-server and PC kita, hindi dapat pwede nga straight through kay hindi na sa magana. So there, now use the delete tools to remove the copper straight through cable and use the copper crossover cable on the slide. Instead, the light should turn green at this point. So if the mouse point in either device, the link status will show up as and the network should look similar to this. So sige, tingnan labi kung ano kitang iya output. So delete na to ng X, tapos click ito ang target. So X, delete na. Then balik ito sa select. Gawin natin yan is copper straight through. So ang need natin dapat is crossover. So ang need natin is copper crossover. So from PC to server. O diba guys, kita nyo man, they're similar to the picture. Ayos guys. Then next is so nag-show up na ang atong server and PC. So click on the PC while paying attention to the lights. Turn the power on, off, and on again. So dari kato sa atong PC. Then yellow, it indicates it's on, naka-on ato nga PC. So if it turn up na siya, madula ang indicator, then it will turn red. So which means what connection kay ang PC patay. Then next, ito na i-on na ito na ato nga PC kung mag-response load siya or mag-color green. So yes, balik naman siya sa connection. It's because hindi man magana ang connection kung naka-off ang isa ka device. Then this means that the link is down or is not working. So the link light turn green when the device is turned on and back on. So amo gani ang cable is naka-red, it because ginto natin ang PC. So nagbalik naman ang green kay ginto natin ang PC. So ang wala na guys So ang pang-apat ay try all three ways to learn about the device. So first, mouse over the device to see basic configuration information about them. So second, click each device with select tools to show device configuration with Windows, which provides several ways to configure the device. So third, just inspect the tools to view the tables. The network device will build as it learn about the network around it. In the sample, open ARP table since the device will not be configured yet. The ARP table are empty. Always remember to close the windows after viewing them or will get to the workspace. Next, ito nga brown, open the PC configuration windows and change the setting using the config tab. So change the display to client and set the DNS server to 192.168.0.1.05 and under interface, click fast internet and set the IP as 192.168.1.0. So dire ipigay natin ang PC, then config sa gateway sa DNS, this one I said DNS server. So dire 192.168.1.105. So then dapat naka-DNCP siya at then the server level 192.168.0.105. Then next ito i-config, is fast internet. So dire sa kita IP address 192.168.0.110. IP. So next is so open the server configuration windows and go to config tab, change the display name and web server, click fast internet and set the IP address 192.168.0.105. Make sure that the port status is also clicked, then set the domain name as first lab and set the IP is 192.168.0.105. So we set IP and set the display name as well. So next ito is masag kita sa domain name. So ito sa Cisco service, then services, tapos DNS. So there is domain name www.firstlab.com, then set the IP address, then add reposition the network device to drag them to a new location. Add network description by using I. So, drag siya. Yes. Then. Tapos, using I button, upper the right corner, then add some text. So, sa bucket tracer network. So guys, may nangyari kita guys, also change the display name to client. Sorry guys. Then next, load on the right and add some text label with identical place note. So kita label my network. Next itong brown, load the background grid using the set background tile button. So set a tile button, the background city. So remove that mamove kita. Then next, you save that na itong file. Save ito. Congratulations, you're creating your first network. So, success na. Good job. So, next is this is a simple test message in the real time. So, start up with in the last section. So, dahil na-open naman nato. Then, notice that the file open in the real-time mode. So, use the add simple PDU tools to send simple one-time ping message. So, call an echo request to the server. The server responds with the echo reply because all devices have properly configured IP addresses. So, scroll up, down, as user created packet tracer so the different capabilities ping includes indication that ping was successful. So, patry kita set. So kita nyo man. So, kita man guys. Successful nag-send na ito ng message. Then toggle the video will to see the large message one or more messages from scenarios. So scenario 0 is displayed when starting label is the first scenario. With I, note different scenarios allowed. This user the topology is experimental with different group or create packets. So click new scenarios. Scenarios, then now usually blank. So blank. Next, add to packet using the simple PDU tools, a PDU from the PC to server, and a different PDU from the server to the PC. So then add I not describing the scenarios to complete scenarios. from client to server and server to client. So scenarios is step on how to send video. Then kita dari record man. Next is several scenarios can be saved in single networks. Alternate between scenario 0 and 1 now. You have scenario and using delete button. So delete ang scenario 0. Delete. So as you can see, nabigay ko itong scenario is on 1. Then scenario 1 is now visible. Go to the last column. User create a Windows and double click to delete the new video. So delete. So those scenarios was delete. Congratulations on being able to set organize simple tasks with live mode. So next is establish the web server connection using the PC web browser. So select the desktop tab and click the web browser. Type www.firstlab.com. As the URL click, go to button. The packet tracer welcome page shown below appears indicating the web connection has been successfully established. Web browser to select the desktop tab and the web browser. Type www.firstlab.com as the URL and click the go button. The packet tracer welcome page shown below, indicating the web connection is been successfully established. So next, client, desktop, web browser. So www.firstlab.com. So success na. Welcome sa packet tracer. So next, isang anang IP address. Try ito 192.168.0.105. Same ang gap na nagawa siyempre IP address and ang atong type of name is same. Then next, close the windows and try same steps, simulation mode. In this mode, the user control time so the network can be viewed running slow space, allowing observation of path, packet takes that inspection, packets and detailed packet tracing. So select PC again to go to web browser and type FirstLab as URL again. So select the maybe close the windows and try the same mode, the simulation mode, and the sum mode. So in simulation mode, then have to know what to the domain name and also the IP address. So www.firstblog.com. Then 192.168.0.105. So as you can see, kita ito na rin sa cyber panel outcome na ano nga kung nagsunod siya. Next is click auto capture play and repeat. Click capture forward button to the HTTP packet appears the PC. Go back to the PC configuration windows. The packet traces will come page as now shown. So sure to play. Success. Saan ba ito? So next is so congratulations on successful establishing the web connection. So next, in the real time send a DPO from the server to client, from PC to server. So click the edit filter and click all fields. Add a simple video from PC to server. Notice that the newly created video is added to the created video list. So this packet has been captured as the first event to the business packet as below. Appears in the workspace. The icon to the left indicates the packet is currently displayed. So click the capture forward button once. The simultaneous network setting program captures the next event that focuses into the network. Note that after clicking capture forward, the packet in the workspace moves from the one device to another. This is the ICMP echo request from the PC to the server. Another event in the event list reflects the change in the workspace. The first time through the animation, the meaning of the capture forward is capture. After this simultaneous, the meaning is forward. Then tapos forward, capture forward. So as you can see, nagbalik siya sa atong client. Then adjust speed of animation by dragging place speed slider. So adjust that. For that, reset ito ng simultation. So, reset. Then, capture forward. Capture forward. That. Then, click the capture forward the second time. The capture to text is event is the echo replies to the server to the PC. Shown as successful for a green check mark. Then next as you can see, ginobra nato niya capture forward. So nag-send mo siya to green. So indicate sa okay siya. So next is looking inside packet in simulation mode. Continue from the last activity. Click reset simulation. Clear the entries in event except the original packet tracer. Original packet. So select the packet envelope the workspace and share to the PD. Select the packet envelope to the workspace to show that the PDF information windows like one shown. See the screenshot below. This video contains Windows contains the OSI model table, which shows how the packet is processed to each layer on the OSI model by current device. So natin the packet is indicate the event list by icon. So the while the whole road event list also highlighted, click the color square to info column to equivalent to clicking direct on the packet. Yan lang. Use the next layer previous layer button to see details of the packet process that equivalent to OCI layer. Note that the only out layer can be viewed in case of original echo request message. Click the packet tracer workspace of the information does that information regarding the both layer and out layer can be viewed. So again, nakita nyo man ang information sa video. So click the reset. Sabi siya again now, click auto capture play and the echo request. Reply to telecapture to the click on button. As you can see, kita nyo man. Then click the bind button twice to rewind animation. So congratulations, are be able to manipulate and play, control, feed information, just understand the packet processing details. So next after is open the file, open our ART tables for both devices by clicking them with the inspect tool. The our ARP tables always appear to the same spot. Position them to make them both visible. You can also resize the table for better viewing. So balik naman dito dali. So in real-time mode, send the simple in the real-time mode, send a simple DPO from PC to server. Notice that the ARP table are filled automatically as here shown. So next is delete the PD using the method covered to the previous selection. Notice that the interest ARP interest are both devices already ARP not table are not cleared. ARP interest for both devices have already been learned. Deleting the user created videos does not reset event but what has already occurred to the network. So click the power device ARP table to clear because the power cycle device button turns the device off and back on again, therefore losing temporary information like ARP table interest. Then next na program is as you can see, wala na ito sa makikita. Then go to simultation mode in the event pattern and make sure the ICMP and ARP are checked so that you can view ICMP and ARP packet in the animation. Create a new DP, simple DP video from server to PC. So create from server to PC. Then notice that since the device were powered cycle earlier, the ARP table are empty. ARP request packet needs to be issued before the ICMP ping packet so that device in the network can learn about each other. Click on auto capture play animation to watch animation. Click reset simultation. Notice that the event to the event list is cleared. For the user created video and ARP tables remain full. Click auto capture play with time since the ARP tables are full. There are no new ARP packet issued. Is full, therefore yan. So nakita nyo man, nakasunod na siya. Full. So there are no ARM packet issued. So click the power cycle doing so when the tables notice the new RP request packet appears automatically on event list. Reviewing your new skills. So single clicking on delete button removes the entire scenarios including all videos associated. Double clicking single on the delete button removes the entire scenarios including all videos associated. So double click. Then the reset salutation button clear all entries event list except the user created videos and allows the animation to restart. This however does not present the device table.